Well, as we move into the third year of COVID-19, researchers are still learning how the virus is changing and how variants are developing. Now, scientists right here in Middle Georgia at Mercer University are working to better understand how the virus is impacting our region. 41 NBC's Elizabeth Gutierrez explains.
The Mercer University School of Medicine is hoping to expand their knowledge on COVID-19. And to do so, they're hoping to identify different variants of the COVID-19 virus.
Do we have the Delta variant, or do we have the new Omicron, or do we have something that's completely different? And that will help the community to deal with whatever they have, because if it's a new variant that's more virulent or worse, we'll know that's coming, and we'll know how to deal with it.
Mercer University School of Medicine, in partnership with Louisiana State University's Health Department, received a $25,000 grant from the Rockefeller-Foundation, which will help fund the tracking of COVID variants across the state. Dr. Rob-mckallip, the biomedical sciences chair, says the process is simple.
Mercer Medicine currently tests patients for whether or not they have COVID. We collect them, then send them off to LSU Health, and they actually will do the sequencing for us. And once we get that report, we upload it to a public database.
Doctors with the university say the goal in this process is to learn how to attack new variants that could possibly form.
For us to see what viruses are the people in rural Georgia are getting exposed to, and then to see if there are differences between the people in the rural areas versus urban area.
Gretchen-bentz is an associate professor with the School of Medicine, but also a mother. She says identifying the different variants will help to provide parents more information.
As we're seeing a huge uptake right now in the Omicron, because it is so much more transmissible, to be more vigilant with my children, to be like, wear your mask at school, make sure they're vaccinated.
The university says their next goal is to create a facility to help with sequencing. In Macon, Elizabeth Gutierrez, 41 NBC News.
The university says they hope to connect with health departments across the state to reach more communities and learn more about COVID-19.